I help you, Mama.
Okay.
I help you.
Yeah.
I help you.
You want to massage it? You
Yeah.
like this, oh. So it will be tasty na. Idala sa lami. Oh, wash your hands. You touch the turtle and you're gonna touch our food. I'm gonna punch you. No. Wash your hands with soap.
That one's empty.
I wash my hands. Wash my hands.
Or na siyang gitaghan kay gapo na mo. Sabaw anak ba sa ma-absorb lang.
Can I pour?
Yeah, you massage it, but you have to make sure that you wash your hands.
I
Wash
wash
your
it.
hands.
Already.
Let me smell it.
Yeah. Can I pour it? Can I pour it, Mom?
A little bit more, okay? It's enough. Then Jasmine, we're gonna massage it. And then we're gonna set it aside for...
Can I massage?
Yeah. Well, Jasmine, you can also massage.
Ma, I need help.
Ah, ito bahok sa sabon.
Can I do it by myself?
Come on.
Can I?
Ay, gagong dagay ka? Bugat na.
I can't do it by myself. That's to be honest.
That's enough, huh? We're gonna prepare the other one.
Wait.
I can do it.
Oh,
by
do not touch that. You just massage. Just
I
massage.
can do it by myself only once. I once put it there.
Hey!
Literally about
That's enough. Do not play.
10 minutes ago.
Now it's time to put.
Okay,
This
it's enough
one.
na. Later na pod. To the other batch. Huh? We're gonna arrange them.
Yeah,